Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. With my makeup, I am always so loud with it. And something that I have a really hard time with, sorry if you can hear my dog scratching. Stop it, Mincher. Something that I always struggle with my makeup is just kind of enhancing my look. So today, that's what I'm going to be attacking. I'm going to try to be kind of subtle with my makeup. I don't want to do too much color. I don't want to do so like way up here where you can see everything. I just want to be really subtle with it and just kind of enhance my look. So that goes with my foundation. That goes with everything. So I've moisturized my skin, I've primed my skin. Now I'm gonna do my foundation and I'll be back. So now my foundation is done and I'm ready to get into this natural, more subtle look. I'm not gonna say natural because clearly if you're putting on makeup, there's really no way to look natural. I mean, this looks really good. This looks really natural. I feel like if I went out, if I covered this up, because I put gel in my hair, so it kind of grabbed the foundation, so just ignore that. Normally I would really take my time and blend that out, but I feel like if I went out like this, if you're not all up on me, I think it does look pretty natural. That's kind of why I was going for the matte look. Dewy on me with makeup just looks really unnatural. It doesn't look like, it looks like I caked on makeup. So matte for me looks more natural, so that's what I tend to try to go for. And no matter what, I always end up looking really dewy. So because I want more of a natural look, I'm going to go into a few different palettes. So I'm going to take this blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to dip into this Pro Artistry palette first. Oh my gosh, I just broke it. You see that? It won't open. I guess I gotta stick my finger in there, which was what I was trying to avoid. But I'm gonna dip into that palette, but first I'm going to prime my eyes. Have you guys noticed that I have not gone back to concealer since I started using primer? How wild, right? Because I was all about concealing my eyes. I was like, I do not need primer. That's such a waste of money. Such a waste, like, but it's not. Like, I absolutely love using primer. I feel like it is worth the money. This primer was $10, so it definitely did not break the bank for me to buy it. I said I was going to go into the Pro Artistry, but I want to go into the Lit first because I see a color that I think will work the best. And I'm going to go in with this color right here and just placing that in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the color above that one. And I'm going to really just put that right on top of it. Next, I'm going to blend this color and hashtag makeover from 15S Morphe palette. And I'm going to put that into my crease. I feel like these colors are not dark enough. So I'm going to mix Meme Girls, I know it's kind of green, and hashtag makeover. And I'm going to put that in there too. I'm going to take this Luxie 103 brush and I'm going to go into this Pro Artistry and take this color right here and put that all over my lid. Going back in with that blending brush, I'm just going to blend that all out. Now going in with that small smudge brush. I'm gonna go into Meme Girls and hashtag makeover, blend those two, and put that under the lower lash. Put that under the lower lash. And because I'm so used to having so much more to do, it's so weird to say, that's it. So I'm going to put lashes on. The lashes that I'm going to be using is from Lashaholics that came in my BoxyCharm box. I love these lashes. If you did not see my video to my BoxyCharm box, please go and check that out. I will link that down. Excuse me. I will link that down in the description box, but I love these lashes, so I'm going to go put these on, do my other eye, and I will be back. So here are my eyes. I like them. I like them. They're super subtle, but you can definitely tell I have on makeup, and I like that. It's like an enhance to what I actually look like. I like it. I absolutely love it. I'm proud of myself for not going overboard, because I always say, I'm going to do a subtle look. I'm going to do a subtle look. And then somehow I end up coming out looking like I'm getting ready to go perform at a circus. Not like I look like a clown or anything. It's just, you get my point. It's more than what I be wanting it to be. So this is really cute. This kind of turned out to be like a slight smoky eye, but I don't care. I don't mind. I like it. Normally my smoky eyes turn out real crazy too, so it's fine. I like it. Of course, the lashes just made them look so much better. But yeah, now we're gonna move on to cheeks. So normally when I do my cheeks, I tend to go overboard with them as well. So I'm gonna go in with this more neutral color, just because I don't want it to go overboard. If I need to add in another color, I will. That is pretty darn neutral. So I'm gonna add just a touch of the color next to it. Blending those pretty much. And there we are. I have blush on, but I'm not like, hi, I have blush on. I'm definitely gonna highlight. This look could use some highlight to it. So I'm gonna go in with this Becca. I've been loving it, Champagne Pop, using my brush. I went a little far, so we're just gonna. So I kind of messed up. So we're gonna take my blush brush and just kind of blend that out. Everything was going too good. It was too good to be true. So at least it's that we messed up and not my eyes, you know? And of course, onto the lips. I definitely am gonna keep my lips natural, neutral, nude. So I'm gonna go in with this nude color. Can anybody tell me what that says? Lartizy? I don't know. Don't care. My sister gave me this. It's a pink nude, which which I don't want to go in with. I'm gonna line my lips first. I use black eyeliner, of course. So I'm gonna go in with this Vivid Matte Liquid from Maybelline. Yes, lipstick. Because I didn't go too dark with the liner this time, it looks super natural, super nude, and I like it. So this is our finished product. This is what we have come to. We're gonna set the face, and then we're gonna talk. Using Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. Voila. I know that I worked really hard on my eyes to make sure that they weren't too much, and it worked out really good. I love them, but I am obsessed with my lips right now. Like, do you see this? There is no nudes that are like perfect for my skin tone. For a black woman at all, like nudes normally come out really pink or really white, so it's hard for us to wear nudes. But I have always, as you guys know if you've watched my previous videos, I love to line my lips with a black. I don't like to use browns, I don't like to use purples, I like to use blacks. I don't like to use chocolates either because they don't turn out the same way. When I use black, especially today how I didn't use too much, it tones whatever color I'm wearing completely down and it gets to where I want it to be. So when I'm using black, it all is just as much, it all just depends on how much I use with how the color is going to turn out. I love these lips because it looks like I have nothing on my lips, and that's exactly what I was going for. I think I did a really good job. I hope that I gave enough detail with this. This was the first time that I felt like I wanted to really do tutorial style video. I know that my other ones I'm explaining what I'm doing, but I more so did not care about explaining stuff in those videos. This one, I knew that I was trying something different, and not only for you guys, for myself, I could come back and watch and see what I did to get to this point, because this looks so natural. It looks like I just have on eye makeup, which isn't elaborate. It just looks very nice. Like, I don't know, I like it. It is very wearable, which is my issue. I always do my makeup unwearable. I can never wear my makeup anywhere. If I go anywhere with makeup on, people are gonna look at me like I'm crazy. But with this look, it looks so natural, so nice, so subtle. That's the word, subtle. It's so subtle that I could wear it everywhere. I could wear it in the daytime, I could wear it at night. It's very nice. And I just have to keep on practicing this look with other colors, because once I get into colors is when I start going crazy and my eyes come out looking like, hello girl, how you doing? Wanna go out? That's how my eyes always look. And it's like, bitch, can you back up? Can you not be in my face like that? And that's what this is. This is like, hi, how are you? I'm happy with the results. I'm proud of myself. I think I did a really, really good job. I hope you guys like it. And again, I hope it was very detailed enough for you guys to follow along if you like this look. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.